It's Jimmy Lelar, the sock snob, and I am still the only person living in this 75-unit building. I'm in one of the two penthouse units, and there's a lot of construction going on, so I needed a vacuum. I chose the Dyson V8, and I want to see what's in here. It's in red. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, there's a lot of shit in here. All right, I don't know what that is. Oh, here is the vacuum, and then, ooh, it's on. It comes fully charged, I guess. The good thing is it's really easy to put together. Snap the bottom piece in, and then snap the vacuum part in. That's it. It's kind of pretty, actually. I like it in red. And of course, I got to test it out, make sure it works. I love how it goes around the corner so easily. It has like this swivel base to it. Another thing is that it comes apart very easily so that you can switch it. So I can use it as a handheld like so. I pulled that from between my titties. Now let's vacuum the velvet couch. Ooh, green is my favorite color. It's actually kind of creepy. So I've got to test it on a hard surface as well. So let's see how it does. Actually, it is really smooth and it's picking up a lot of the small particulates. So like I said, there's a lot of construction going on in the building. So a lot of dust and stuff. This thing is picking it right up. And with the HEPA filter, it is not blowing out anything. It's just blowing out air. So that's good. It has two settings as far as power, a low and a high. And this thing really kicks, so I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Yeah, 2 thumbs. I have 2. So stick with me as I try and get this place together in time for season 2 of the Undateable Me podcast. Make sure you check it out on YouTube and all podcast platforms.